this video, we're going to learn how to add more customization to our website, and this time using CSS. So we'd like to delete the top bar where we see site admin logout, okay, and also we'd like to delete this bar over here. So to do this, we are going to go to our dashboard, and this time we are going to go to appearance and theme options. And then we can go to Custom CSS. Okay. So basically, we're going to add some CSS styling so that we hide these HTML elements. Okay. So first of all, we need to see how in the code these are identified. Okay. Are they identified using an ID or a class? And then we're going to use that ID or class to style this and add display none. Okay. So let's go to the website and let's click right and go to inspect elements. So let's look for the HTML elements corresponding to this bar. So if we look from the top and we keep going, we can see that the div of ID header top corresponds to this top bar. Okay, so let's get the ID of this div. Copy it, and now let's go to our custom CSS. So we're going to use this ID. So we need the number sign followed by the ID, and we are going to style this using the display property, and we're going to set that to none. Okay, so let's save, and now if we go back to our page and refresh, then we can see that the bar disappeared. All right. Okay, so let's do the same thing for this bar. So if we click right and go to inspect elements, so let's look for this HTML element. So if we keep going, okay, let's open this div, and it looks like it's this one. So page title wrapper. Okay, so let's so it's a class, so let's copy this class. Okay, and let's go back to our custom CSS. So we're going to add another line, so dot followed by the class name, and we are going to style it as well using the display property, and we're going to set it to none. So if we save that and refresh the page, then our bar disappeared. Okay. So you can style any HTML elements inside the page using the same way. So you just identify the elements using its class or ID, and then add any CSS styling you would like to have in the custom CSS. Okay.